Hi, Sheila.
Hi, Rhonda.
How are you today?
I'm very well.
Excellent. We're here. This is Sheila and Rhonda. This is Sheila.
I'm Sheila Tillich.
And I'm Rhonda Schaefer.
Hi,
We
Rhonda.
want you to be awesome today. Okay?
It's backwards, but it says be awesome today.
It does say
All
be
right.
awesome today. And it's just the setting in the camera. I'll get it sooner or later. Oh my gosh. So Sheila, what did we want to talk about today?
How about scarcity and abundance?
I think that's a great topic.
Yeah.
And if you like what we say, please share, like, or comment at the end of the video.
So what do you mean by scarcity and abundance? What does that mean to you?
Well, scarcity is when I think I don't have what I probably already have. And I focus on, if I don't have it, I focus on, I don't have enough groceries, I don't have enough income, I don't have this, I can't do that. Very negative, restricting behavior that prevents me from being creative.
Absolutely.
How about you?
The scarcity is me living in my fears that I don't have enough. And I have everything I need today. And I have to keep it very simple. You know, I can see today. I've got 2 legs, I can still walk today. And the most important thing is that I have me today. And today I know I'm magnificent. And what does that mean by being magnificent?
Well, you are magnificent.
I am. And I stand in my awesomeness. That's why I have an awesome day today. Be awesome today.
That's right. This is going to be my new mantra. Be awesome.
So abundance is the things around us. We have so much to be thankful for, you know, and so many of us have been living in the negativity as far as, oh my God, I'm not going to survive. Oh my goodness, when is the next paycheck's coming? Oh my goodness. And when we live in the positivity is that we have everything that God has given to us today, you know, and then we can move forward.
And and it's thinking about the abundance. I have a home, food in the refrigerator. If I didn't have enough food, there are resources to obtain it. Very generous community around here. And we can pass the word to other people in need to help them out if things are that short. And it can happen, but it's only a bump in the road of life. This too shall pass, and that's one of my, that's been a saving grace for me in times of anxiety, which I don't have much anxiety anymore, but this too shall pass always reminds me that it's not permanent.
Yeah. So when we talk about anxiety, I think of fear.
Yes.
I think of fear. And so many of us during the last 6 months, you know, with this COVID, is living in fears because our life is not the same anymore. Thank God. It is getting better and better. And that is the whole key, is to think positively. And say, this is happening for a reason. You know, things have got to change. And most important, things got to change in me.
Yes.
You know, it's about our own magnificence, our awesomeness. And I love that word, awesomeness and magnificence, isn't it? You know, and we forget about that, you know, and that's being positive.
Yeah.
And a lot of people say, oh, you're being too egotistical. No, I'm not. No. I'm talking about putting the love out there, compassionate love.
From a place of gratitude.
Exactly. Your heart is about compassion and gratitude and thinking about helping somebody else instead of always about me, you know. And it's not I, but it's like us, who we are together.
Correct.
All right. And we live in this life together, and we're going to move forward in this life, especially in today's changing times. We are transforming into new times. Wonderful times. Wonderful times.
Well, I can say those families with children, if you got through this the last 3 months, you can get through anything.
Absolutely.
You really can.
Yeah. We're going to look back at this COVID time as such a transition, and that we survived. Not only survived, but thrived. And a lot of times people say, well, I survived this and I survived that. But the thing is that we are transforming.
And our whole society's been affected by this. It's just not a local thing. like a family unit. I mean, and societies worldwide have been affected by
Everything
this.
has changed. And we're starting to know what's really important. It's about going inside and helping somebody else, helping humanity, coming from a grateful heart, being grateful for each and every day that we live, that we can breathe another day, you know, that we can breathe, you know, and we can be there for somebody else. And so many good things are happening. We just don't know it yet. And if we believe in our heart that it will, it will. And that's the positivity, you know, staying positive, staying out of the negative, staying out of the anxiety, living in our magnificence and our awesomeness. Yay! Can you tell I like that word?
Yeah, where there is hope, there's life. And where there's love, there's peace.
Yes. Yeah. Peace and serenity in your heart. All right? You're serene. You know, this time has really given us time to reflect upon all this.
Yes, and I think a lot of people have.
Absolutely, absolutely. They're taking the time to take care of their needs and slow down. Slow down, especially in mainstream everything. Our children, our life, our relationships, you know, and because we haven't been able to be socially close to each other, you know, and we need that connection. We need that connection that we're not alone, and we're not alone. You know, and thank goodness, and I'm very grateful that we live in a time that we can connect globally by the electronics that we have.
Yeah.
So, and this isn't, you know, something that is going to stop us from living. This is actually going to propel us to make new discoveries and make new things for our life and make it better. It's all about choices.
Yes.
Choices, you know. We can live in the fear or we can live in the love. And I always say love or fear, always love or fear. And I choose to live in love today.
And so do I.
That's right. So we hope that you like this tape today. And we ask that if you did, or even not, just like, comment, and share, because this is what it's all about. We're all in this together.
And you can subscribe too to get alerts whenever we do post.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely.
So thank you very much, Sheila.
Thank you, Rhonda, for being in my life.
And vice versa.
Yeah. And thank you, everybody, for being here and watching us.
Yes.
So we look forward to connecting with you next time.
Take it easy in the meantime.
Have a good day.
Bye-bye.
Bye.